Hello all, let me go through a quick demo of our Moodle website. You can access it through gptcparaca.ac.in/Moodle. It will redirect you to a IP address. This is the IP address of the server placed in our college. First I will demonstrate the administrative account. In administrative account you can control everything. The appearance, course, groups, users, everything you can control in this administrative account. First we will see the course categories and courses. This is the standard way of categorizing the course. For each branch there is one main category, computer engineering, civil engineering, like that. Inside that main category, another subcategory is the category for each batch of students. CHE 2019 means 2019 pass out students batch. Inside that, for each semester we have to create another subcategory. Since we have started this in semester 5, we have only two category here. Inside semester 6 we have the courses. These are the courses for semester 6 computer hardware engineering students. Okay, let us create a new category for today's e-learning session. We can select in under which main category it comes. We'll let us categorize under computer hardware engineering, e-learning. Okay, create. Inside this we'll create a new course. This new category came. Inside this we'll create a new course named Python. Okay, for Python we will create one Python. Short name we can create like DS, SA, like that. Python. All other settings you can do. Everything you can edit later also. Save and return. Next task is to create the users and adding that users to this course. Okay, we will go to the site administration, users. You can add users one by one, or you can upload multiple users at single shot. To upload users you have to create an Excel file, CSV file like this. The heading, username, password, first name, last name, email, cohort 1. Cohorts are used to group the users, categorize the users. Here I am using two cohorts. One is e-learn teachers and e-learn students, and 30 teachers. Okay, this is the CSV file. We have to upload. Choose that file. Use the attachment. Upload this file. Upload users. You can configure the common settings here. Upload users. Created. We have created 60 users, 30 teachers and 30 students. All teachers are belongs to cohort teachers, and all students are belongs to cohort student. Okay, next we'll go to our course and add these teachers and students to that course. I have to go to Python, participants, enroll users. You can either select individual users or you can select cohort. We will select cohort, e-learn teachers, select role as teacher, enroll. Again we will enroll students. Enroll, all teachers are enrolled. Enroll users, select EL students, role as students. Now all these are the teachers, and we enrolled teachers and students into the course Python. These are some basic steps needed to start using Moodle. First we will create the course category, then upload the users, create the course, enroll the users into the course. Next we will see how the Moodle looks for a teacher. I'm going to log in as a teacher. My username is Sudevan K. Okay, these are my courses. These are listed in the left hand panel. Okay, this is the course for final year students. We can upload this this is a Google Drive ebook. To add a new category or new activity, you have to do the turn editing on, then you can add activity or resources. You can, these are this many activities you have. This is one assignment I given to students. This mark split up also we can define for the assignments. We can see the submissions. Okay, you go to grading. Here you can see the submissions. Actually there is some PDF generation having some issue, but you can see the attachment here, and either you can download and see this is their assignment. They finished their first assignment, have splitted the mark like this, whether they have HTML structure is there, list is there, list I have given 0 mark, list it is they didn't increase, so 0 mark. Like this we can specify split up for our assignment. Okay, finally we'll save change. Similarly, another subject course for me is essay lab for the 4th semester students. Here have initial display. I have uploaded all the syllabus and lab manuals and sample space for their testing. This is a virtual programming lab. They can compile their program and run their program and see the result. This I splitted the total course like this: command, shell script, and test. You can create like this. Okay, more on this thing my colleague maybe she will explain how can we create and how can we use this model for lab experiments. For this assignments, you can create add a new activity. Inside that you can configure it, the submission time, cut off date, submission marks, everything you can upload here. Feedback type you can configure here. You can mark them, the view all submissions. You can filter it based on your filter value. If you want to see only those who need grading, you can check required grading. 2 person need grading, you can their outputs for lab experiments, they copy pasted their output here. Based on checking this output, we can this is their output. Based on this we can grade their assignment. Grade 10. We can give multiple grades, save all grades. Also you can see the grade, overall grade of all students, their grades. You can download it as an Excel. You can check their history, overview report, import, export. If you want to export the grade, what all grade of all these experiments to an Excel sheet, it will Excel format, it will show, download it as an Excel. You will get a report like this for what are assignments, their marks, their final score, everything you will get. Last downloaded everything you get. I'm calculating based on formula. I'm calculating this for their internal mark. This is only a quick overview of the features available. I just shown only the assignment part. You can create quiz also. There is another important feature is the question bank. You can create question bank. From the question bank you can select random 10 question. If you are creating a 20 or 30 question inside question bank, each person can get a random 10 questions. So the questions will be different. There are multiple choice question, fill in the blanks, all type of questions are there in this Moodle also. So it is very convenient method for conducting Viva inside lab.